Talking about the genotypic variation, it refers to differences in the genetic makeup of individuals within the same species. In simple terms, it means that individuals have different alleles, or different forms of genes, which make them genetically different from one another. So, we will simply define it as differences in the genetic makeup or alleles of individuals within the same species. Genetic variation occurs when individuals inherit different combinations of alleles from their parents. This leads to genetic differences among individuals within the same species. Each organism has its own unique genotype, which means its specific set of genes. This genotype determines the range of traits that the organism can develop. There is an important exception to this, which is identical twins. Identical twins are formed when a single fertilized egg splits into two embryos. Because they come from the same original cell, they have exactly the same genetic material and the same alleles. This means they share the same genotype. However, even identical twins can show small differences in their appearance or behavior. This happens because of environmental influences that affect them after birth. Genetic variation is very important because it forms the basis of differences within a population. It is also important to understand that genetic variation is not always visible, as some genetic differences do not affect how an organism looks on the outside. There are three main causes that explain how genetic differences arise among individuals. The first cause is mutation. Mutation refers to random changes in the DNA. These changes can create new alleles, which means new forms of genes. This introduces new genetic differences into a population. The second cause is meiosis. Meiosis is the type of cell division that produces gametes. During this process, variation is created through crossing over, where sections of chromosomes are exchanged, and through independent assortment, where chromosomes are distributed randomly into gametes. This leads to different combinations of alleles. The third cause is fertilization. Fertilization involves the random fusion of male and female gametes. Since each gamete carries different genetic information, their random combination results in unique genetic makeups in the offspring.